This is the brand new 2025 INFINITI QX80, fully redesigned inside and out. This comes standard with a 3.5 liter twin turbo V6 with 450 horsepower, along with 516 pounds of torque, along with 8,500 pounds of towing capacity. The 2025 QX80 comes with some unbelievable safety features, including forward collision warning, front and rear emergency braking, blind spot monitor and intervention, along with Pro Pilot that gives you your adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning and assistance, along with the 3D surround view monitor. The inside of the new 2025 QX80 is absolutely stunning. It has heads-up display along with dual monitors for easy viewing. You also have a screen that is dedicated strictly to your climate control that includes your heated and ventilated seats. With this, you also get the wireless CarPlay and the charging, along with 14-speaker premium audio sound system. So come see us today at INFINITI of Hoffman Estates, where I have 3 QX80s available. All my other ones have been pre-ordered and sold. We are here Monday through Saturday, 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. Our number is 224-653-2901.